Hello everyone, it's Matt. Since I'm a nerd, I'm showing you Magic the Gathering Online, just how to navigate the web page and everything for it. This is something you download onto your computer. You can play it online with other people. So this is the home page. Shows you, if I had a daily quest, it'd be here. These are other daily things that you can win. Weekly stuff goes here. I've already gotten all that, and this is your kind of reward track for the season. The season kind of changes every month, I believe, or every couple months as new sets come out. But this expires in 22 days when the next set is released of cards, because this is a paper game too. It's just the online version. So we can go to a profile. We'll see my ranks in different modes. Again, where I am mastery wise, the avatar. Go to decks, and you can see the different decks that I have. Most of these were pre-constructed decks that they just gave to me. The only ones I actually use are like these. I gotta delete the rest of these. But yeah, and you can go to packs. If I had a pack or multiple, you'd see it on this page if it'll load, but I don't have any, so you can click get packs and it'll bring you to the store. This, once it loads, is the store where you'd use money or currencies to buy different things. You can use money to buy gems and then gems to buy everything else here. Basically, you earn coins in game and gems you pay for, but I don't pay for them because I am not dropping money into a virtual game online. That's a lie. I did put $5 into it because there was a starter deal, but I am not spending any more money on this game, even though I love it and I play it a lot. And then there's just the mastery that we got to the other way. So you can go to different options to adjust the audio settings, just the graphics, and different gameplay settings. Yeah, this is your currencies up here. If you actually want to play, you go to home, you click play down here, and it gives you all the different options for different game modes that you can play. And once you select a game mode, you select your deck that you want to use, and you play. And they do different events and stuff like that. So this one is only out for another 21 hours. But yeah, that's Magic the Gathering Online. Thank you for watching.